Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got a quick Temu demo of one of the resin molds. This one is a little trinket box. It goes that way, but it's really, really cute. I'm in love with this mold. Alright, let's mix up some resin, and I'll be back. Okay, this one I'm gonna pour at least the top on this so I can move it easily without spilling. Okay, let's try to start differently without grabbing the resin coated front. Right. Now, a very little bit of this amber color. I realize I started to do it purple, and I'm going to stick with that. A very, very pale purple. That was 2 drops, although it was only supposed to be 1. Because you can see this is a very vibrant resin pigment. Keep scraping the sides, getting the resin pigment off the sides of the cup. So, although it does look darker in the cup, this is kind of what I was looking for. So weirdly enough, I'm going to pour the top first. Okay, that is full, but I want to make sure I do not have any air bubbles down below. And it doesn't look like I do. A little bit of glitter contamination right there. Alright. Quick shot with a long neck ladder. And I will go in and put this on the drying rack. Okay. Go ahead and pour the rest of this. Okay. And we'll fill this back up. Alright. 2 drops. Okay, I might have introduced a little bit more air, but it didn't stick to the sides as much. I just punched the drops down with my stick. Okay, that literally might could use 2 drops more, but I'm gonna let it ride. No, I'm actually not. I've got a tiny bit left from the last pour. Good thing I remembered it. Perfect. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to check around the edges to make sure I don't have any bubbles. Great. Alright, I will set this on the drying rack, and we'll be back in the morning to demold it. So excited. It's funny how just a transparent color can bring so much excitement, but I'm hoping it'll have that kind of crystal clear kind of look. So, join me in a few more minutes. Tomorrow morning for me, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm super excited about this one. Let's start with the lid. Wow, because it appears to be so clear. Oh, got a little bit of overspill right there. So we'll just pretend we don't see that. I'm not gonna try to get it off right now, y'all. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah. It's really pretty, but the first thing I can see is it's got a lot of little bubbles. I know I said I wasn't going to try to remove that. I'm just going to try to clip it off because it is kind of soft still. Not like under-cured soft, but... Yeah, because this would be next to impossible when it was really hard. Okay. Please forgive me for that. I will sand it off later. Now, for the box. I don't believe it overflowed anywhere or anything. I have no idea, y'all. I have no idea. And it looked worse. Okay. Let me see. It's got a few of those little microfine bubbles. Absolutely love the way it feels, though. Oh my gosh, that lid sets down in there. That is awesome. Down in that little groove. Even though it still needs to be sanded. Wow, I'm very impressed by that. Okay, just for the and giggles of it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Okay. I may have just found another use for this little box. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Just sitting on a shelf with that little battery operated tea light in it. And with those little bubbles, it gives it a way different. I love it with the little bubbles in there. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can remember everything. I have opened up a little super chat button. I have added a link to a Buy Me a Coffee. I have a link for an Amazon wish list. Besides, I'll have the links for everything listed below. Temu, I have a 30% off coupon for first-time buyers. I have a link that if you use my link, that'll just send notification to Temu that they may want to collaborate with me again. I have an Amazon shop listed below where you should be able to find all the other, like the resin dyes and stuff like that. Is that everything? Did I cover everything? Okay. The links for everything, like I said, will be listed below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And bye for now.